This is Oppo K13 5G smartphone, and in this video I'm going to show you some amazing tips and tricks and hidden features of this smartphone. So if you're planning to purchase this phone or you have already bought this, then this video can be really helpful for you. So watch till the end and enjoy this video. You can record all your calls without any announcement or without any kind of alert. Open your dialer, click on these three dots and then select settings. Select call recording and then enable record all calls. Now it will record all your calls automatically without any kind of alert. When you are on home screen and you are using your phone with a single hand, then it feels really uncomfortable to reach at the corner and open any of these applications. But there's a gesture for this. Tap and hold on your home screen, select more, tap on icon pull down gesture and then enable this. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can simply swipe up from either side of the screen like this. That will bring all your application around your thumb. Select the app you want to open, that will open that app for you. You can change the control center of this smartphone. If you want the newer one, then open your control center, click on these three dots and then select customize quick settings. From here select split. Now it will set the newer one where you have to swipe from the right side of your screen to open your control panel and swipe from the left side to open your notification bar. You can also switch like this. You can use two applications at the same time in a single screen with the help of a simple gesture. Open the first application and then swipe up by using three fingers like this. Select the second application. As you can see, you will be able to use two applications at the same time in a single screen with the help of this split screen feature. You can also open any application in floating window just like your desktop and your laptop. Open the application, put it in recent apps, click on these three dots and then select floating window. Now you can resize it from the corners like this, drag and drop it anywhere. You can also minimize it, keep on using your smartphone, and whenever you need that application, simply tap on that apps icon. So you can use this floating window feature to multitask in your smartphone. You can enable double tap to lock and double tap to wake your screen up feature. Tap and hold on your home screen, select more. Firstly, enable double tap to lock, scroll down and also enable this double tap to turn screen on or off. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can simply double tap on the blank area, then it will lock your smartphone, and if you will double tap on your locked screen, that will wake your screen up. If you will long press the power button, then it will launch Google Gemini instead of opening your power menu. If you want to set it as your power menu, then open your settings, scroll down and then select accessibility and convenience. Again scroll down and then select power button. Select press and hold the power button and then set power menu. Now if you long press the power button, then it will launch your power menu. But if you want to keep this as your digital assistant, now if you want to launch your power menu, then you can press the volume up button and power button at the same time, then it will launch your power menu. You can monitor your real-time network speed and you don't have to download any third-party app for that. Open your settings, select notification and quick settings, select status bar and then enable this real-time network speed. Then it will start showing your internet speed in the status bar. When you are on home screen, you don't have to reach at the top to open your control center and this notification bar. There's a gesture for this. Tap and hold on your home screen, select more, scroll down and then select this swipe down on home screen. From here select notification and quick settings. Now if you are on home screen, if you will swipe down from the right side of your screen, then it will open your quick settings, and if you will swipe down from the left side, then it will open your notification bar. If you use your phone at night a lot, then you can use the next two features to protect your eyes. Open your settings, select display and brightness. The first one is dark mode. If you will enable this, then it will turn all the white color into black color. This will decrease the pressure on your eyes. The second one is eye comfort. Click on this and then enable this eye comfort. It will warm the color of your screen. You can also adjust the temperature from here. This will also decrease the pressure on your eyes. So if you use your phone at night a lot, then you can use these two features to protect your eyes. In the same display and brightness settings, you can increase or decrease the size of the fonts. You can also change the font style and you can also increase or decrease the font weight. So if you are giving this phone to any elderly person, then you can definitely use these features. There is a hidden feature to quickly launch your camera application from your locked screen. Open your camera application, click on these three lines, select settings, scroll down and then enable this quick launch. Click on settings and then select camera. Enable this. Again open your camera application, open the same settings, and then again enable this quick launch. Now whenever your phone is locked, if you will double press any volume button, then it will directly launch your camera application from your locked screen. If you like to multitask, then you can also use this smart sidebar feature. To open this, simply swipe from the left side of this transparent bar. It will open your smart sidebar. By default, it has some tools and applications. You can temporarily save your file in file dock. You can take a screenshot and record your screens. You can also translate in the real time. Now if you will open any application from here, it will open it in floating window. You can also resize it, drag and drop it anywhere. Now if you want to customize this, then simply select edit, remove unnecessary application from here and add your favorite or most usable application. So you can use this smart sidebar feature if you like to multitask. This phone comes with a lot of screen of gestures, so you can open your favorite application from your locked screen, open your settings, select accessibility and convenience, select gesture and motions, and then select screen of gestures. The first one is draw an O to open camera. If you enable this, then whenever your phone is locked, if you will draw an O, then it will directly launch your camera application. The next one is draw a V to turn torch on or off. Enable this. Now whenever your phone is locked, if you will draw an V, then it will turn on the flashlight, and if you will draw it again, then it will turn it off. You can also control your music player. Enable this. Now whenever you will draw these two lines on your locked screen, then it will play or pause your music, and if you will draw these symbols, then it will play the previous song and the next song. You can set any of these alphabet or letters to your favorite application. For example, I'm enabling the draw M. Tap on this and then select open an app. It will show you all the applications which are installed in your smartphone. Select your favorite application. And now whenever your phone is locked, if you will draw M, then it will directly open that application. You can customize a lot of stuff in the smartphone. Open your settings, select wallpaper and style. From here you can change the font style. From here you can also change the icon style. You can change the shape from here, and you can also increase or decrease the size of the apps. After this, simply click on apply. So that's how you can customize your icons. You can also change the UI color of your smartphone. Open colors, and here you have some color palettes. You can select from any of these, or you can set your favorite color from here. Click on OK, then it will change the UI color of your smartphone. You can also change the fingerprint animation. Here you have different options. Select your favorite one, and then whenever you will unlock your smartphone with the help of your fingerprint, then it will show that specific animation style. You can also use this edge lighting. So whenever someone will text you, then it will show that type of edge lighting on the edges of your screen. You can select any of these colors, and you can also use it for incoming calls. Now if someone will call you, then it will show edge lighting like this. You can also use always on display. Select always on display, enable this. Here you have different styles. Select your favorite one, click on got it, and then click on apply. Now whenever your phone will be locked, it will show that specific AOD style on your locked screen. You can also increase the quality of your audio in your voice calls. To do that, open your settings, select sounds and vibration, scroll down, and then select clear voice. Enable clear voice. Now it will remove all the background noise when you will be on your call and give you a crystal clear voice on your voice calls. Now you can easily use your smartphone when you are wearing your gloves. To enable that, open your settings, select accessibility and convenience, and then enable this gloves mode. Now you can easily use your smartphone with your gloves on. If you want that blinking flashlight effect for your incoming calls, then open your dialer, click on these three dots, select settings, select more settings, and then enable this flash on call. Now if someone will call you, then your flashlight will blink. You can change the transition effect on your home screen. To do that, tap and hold on your home screen, select transitions. Here you have different options. Select your favorite one and then click on apply. That will change the transition effect on your home screen. You can increase the lifespan of your phone's battery. To do that, open your settings, select battery, and then select battery health. From here, enable this smart charging. Now it will charge your phone up to 80% with normal speed and then take a little bit extra time to charge your phone fully. This feature will increase the life of your phone's battery. In the same battery settings, Come back and then select charging settings. Enable this smart rapid charging. Now whenever you are going out and you don't have enough time to charge your phone, enable this phone and then connect your charger. Then it will increase the speed of your charging. But keep in mind, this will warm your phone a little bit, and if you will use this regularly, then this may decrease the lifespan of your phone's battery. You can hide your application, lock your application and hide your photos, videos, etc. To do that, open your settings, select security and privacy. Scroll down. From here you can lock your apps, hide your apps and then hide your photos and video. If you want a video on this topic, then please comment down. I have already made the video. I'll send you the link. So these were some amazing tips and tricks and hidden feature of Oppo K13 5G smartphone. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and let us know in the comment section which feature you like the most. We will see you in the next one. Till then, have fun and keep on exploring your smartphone.